Get ready to rev up your savings. In this video, we're revealing 20 early Black Friday Amazon car gadget deals where you can save up to 65% on trending must-have accessories. From rare tech upgrades to smart essentials, these deals are perfect for upgrading your ride before the big sale rush. Stick around till the end to discover the hottest finds that will transform your car and save you big. Number 1. Wolfbox Electric Air Duster. The Wolfbox Electric Air Duster is a cordless, lightweight mini blower that makes cleaning your car effortless. With a removable battery, 4 nozzles, and 3 adjustable speed settings, it's perfect for dashboards, air vents, and tight corners. Compact and ergonomic, it fits in your glove compartment or trunk for quick use, while saving you money and the environment by replacing disposable dusters. It's a must-have gadget for keeping your ride spotless this Black Friday. Number 2. Superone Retractable Car Charger 4-in-1. Stay connected with the Superone Retractable Car Charger, a 4-in-1 device that charges multiple gadgets quickly and safely. Its retractable cords stay organized while fast charging technology powers smartphones, tablets, and GPS devices efficiently. Compact and durable, it's ideal for commuters, road trips, or rideshare drivers. With overcharge protection and smart charging features, it delivers reliable performance. Early Black Friday deals make upgrading your car's tech setup easy and affordable. Number 3. Andery MagSafe Car Phone Holder. The Andery MagSafe Car Phone Holder keeps your MagSafe iPhone secure while driving. Its strong magnet allows easy attachment and removal, while 360-degree rotation provides the perfect viewing angle for navigation, calls, or music. Sleek and minimal, it fits any interior and stays stable on bumpy roads. Tool-free installation and durable design make it a convenient and practical upgrade for daily commutes or long trips, perfect for early Black Friday shoppers. Number 4. Airmoto Portable Tire Inflator. Never worry about low tire pressure with the Airmoto Portable Tire Inflator. This compact, cordless device fits in your trunk and quickly inflates car tires, bikes, or sports gear. Its digital display, automatic shutoff, and multiple nozzle attachments make it versatile and easy to use. Proper tire maintenance improves safety, fuel efficiency, and tire life, making this inflator a smart investment. Early Black Friday savings make it an essential gadget for every driver. Number 5. Wigoo Magnetic Phone Holder for Car. The Wigoo Magnetic Phone Holder keeps your phone secure and hands-free while driving. Its strong magnet and 360-degree rotation allow perfect angles for navigation or calls, and it mounts easily to dashboards or vents without leaving marks. Sleek, minimalist, and compatible with various smartphones, it's ideal for safety-conscious, tech-savvy drivers. Early Black Friday deals make it the perfect time to upgrade your hands-free setup and reduce distractions on the road. Number 6. Astroai Windshield Cleaner Tool. The Astroai Windshield Cleaner Tool makes cleaning your car's glass fast and easy. Its ergonomic handle, dual-sided microfiber pads, and foldable design remove dust, grime, and fingerprints efficiently, even in corners. Lightweight and comfortable, it works on side mirrors and interior windows for streak-free results. This practical gadget keeps your car safe and clear, and early Black Friday deals make it an affordable, must-have accessory for every driver. Number 7. Rove R24K Dual Dash Cam. The Rove R24K Dual Dash Cam records front and rear views in ultra-high definition, providing complete coverage for security, insurance, or road trips. Features include night vision, loop recording, G-sensor technology, and wide-angle lenses for crystal-clear footage. Wi-Fi connectivity and app integration allow easy playback and downloads. Sleek and discreet, it installs behind your rear-view mirror. Early Black Friday deals make this dash cam a top pick for drivers who want safety and peace of mind. Number 8. Amooca Car Seat Headrest. Hook 4-pack, maximize car storage with the Amooca Car Seat Headrest hooks. This 4-pack provides a secure place to hang bags, groceries, or jackets, preventing slipping and keeping your car clutter-free. Tool-free installation slides easily onto most headrests, saving floor space and reducing distractions. Durable and practical, these hooks are ideal for parents, commuters, or anyone seeking organization. Early Black Friday deals make this 4-pack an easy, budget-friendly upgrade for a tidier, safer ride. Number 9. Bluedriver Pro. OBD2 Scanner. The Bluedriver Pro OBD2 scanner connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth to provide real-time engine codes, emissions, and sensor data. Compatible with most cars after 2004, it saves time and money on trips to the repair shop. The companion app offers verified repair reports from professional mechanics, making troubleshooting simple and reliable. Affordable and precise, this scanner is a must-have early Black Friday gadget for DIY mechanics and car enthusiasts. Number 10. Lamicall Car Headrest. Tablet Holder. The Lamicall Car Headrest tablet holder keeps passengers entertained on long trips. Adjustable and secure, it fits most tablets and offers multiple viewing angles for movies, games, or video calls. Quick, tool-free installation and durable construction ensure stable, repeated use. By freeing up laps and hands, it improves comfort and organization in the car. Early Black Friday deals make this tablet holder an affordable, practical accessory for every family road trip. Number 11. Hiseanllo Car Seat Gap Filler 2-Pack. Stop losing items between your car seats with the Hiseanllo Car Seat Gap Filler. This 2-pack fits snugly between seats and the center console, preventing coins, phones, or keys from falling out. Made from durable, flexible material, it blends seamlessly with most car interiors. Easy to install and remove, these fillers keep your ride organized while improving safety by reducing distractions. Early Black Friday deals make this affordable, practical accessory a must-have for every driver. Number 12. Vanmass Strongest Suction Car Phone Mount. The Vanmass car phone mount features an ultra-strong suction cup that securely attaches to dashboards or windshields. Its 360-degree rotation allows perfect viewing angles for navigation or hands-free calls, while the adjustable grip fits a wide range of smartphones. Easy to install and remove without residue, it's perfect for commuting or road trips. With durability and convenience combined, this mount is a top pick for early Black Friday shoppers looking to upgrade their in-car setup. Number 13. Jemluse Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Upgrade your car tech with the Jemluse Wireless CarPlay Adapter, allowing seamless wireless connection for iPhones to your vehicle's infotainment system. Stream music, use navigation, and make hands-free calls without fumbling with cables. Plug-and-play setup means no complicated installation, and it works with most CarPlay-enabled systems. Ideal for commuters or tech-savvy drivers, this gadget keeps you connected safely on the road. Early Black Friday pricing makes it an easy, high-value car upgrade. Number 14. Nmoiss Windshield Sunshade Umbrella. Keep your car cool and protect interiors with the Nmoiss Windshield Sunshade Umbrella. Its compact umbrella-style design opens quickly to block sunlight and folds neatly for storage. The reflective material reduces heat buildup, protecting your dashboard, seats, and electronics from sun damage. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for daily parking or road trips. Early Black Friday deals make this a simple, affordable solution to keep your car cooler and more comfortable year-round. Number 15. Magnetic Leather Sunglass Holder for Car. Never misplace your sunglasses again with this magnetic leather sunglass holder. It attaches easily to your car's visor and secures glasses with a strong magnetic closure, preventing scratches or accidental drops. The sleek leather design adds a touch of style while keeping accessories within easy reach. Compact, functional, and durable, it's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in convenience. Early Black Friday savings make it a must-have car accessory for every driver. Number 16. Volam 9-inch CarPlay Screen with Backup Camera. Transform your vehicle with the Volam 9-inch CarPlay screen featuring a backup camera. This all-in-one system upgrades your infotainment experience with touchscreen control, navigation, music streaming, and video playback. The included backup camera provides safer reversing and parking, while plug-and-play installation keeps setup simple. Ideal for tech enthusiasts or anyone upgrading an older car, this system adds functionality and style. Early Black Friday deals make this gadget a high-value addition to your ride. Number 17. Tykor Car Cup Holder Expander. Maximize your beverage storage with the Tykor Car Cup Holder Expander. This adjustable accessory fits most cup holders, holding larger drinks, bottles, or coffee mugs securely. Sturdy and easy to install, it prevents spills while keeping drinks within reach during drives. Perfect for commuters, families, or road trip enthusiasts, it enhances convenience and reduces distractions. Early Black Friday pricing makes this practical, budget-friendly upgrade a must-have for any car interior. Number 18. Aleopix 2500 Watt Power Inverter. The Aleopix 2500-watt power inverter converts your car's battery power to AC electricity, letting you run laptops, cameras, or other devices on the go. Equipped with multiple outlets and USB ports, it's ideal for road trips, camping, or emergency backup power. Durable and safe, it includes overload and short-circuit protection. Early Black Friday deals make this high-power inverter an essential gadget for anyone who wants versatile, reliable electricity anywhere their car takes them. Number 19. Lebogner Steering Wheel Desk Tray. Turn your steering wheel into a convenient workspace with the Lebogner Steering Wheel Desk Tray. Perfect for laptops, tablets, or meals, it features a sturdy, foldable design that fits most vehicles. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for busy commuters, travelers, or anyone needing a mobile desk solution. Easy to clean and store, it keeps your car functional and organized. Early Black Friday deals make this practical accessory a great addition to any driver's toolkit. Number 20. Deosk Car Trunk Organizer for SUV. Keep your SUV organized with the Deosk Car Trunk Organizer. Its spacious compartments hold groceries, sports gear, or tools securely, while foldable design allows easy storage when not in use. Durable materials and reinforced handles make it reliable for heavy loads, and non-slip bottoms keep it in place during drives. Perfect for families, outdoor enthusiasts, or commuters, it prevents clutter and chaos. Early Black Friday pricing makes this an essential, budget-friendly accessory for a tidier, safer car. That's a wrap on 20 early Black Friday Amazon Car Gadget Deals 2025 you can't miss. Upgrade your ride, save big, and grab these trending must-have accessories before the big sale rush ends.